Hello everyone, this is the unboxing and review of this mini rechargeable BLDC fan from D-Mart. This is a new model which has been launched recently. I've already reviewed the older BLDC mini fan, explained how to replace the lithium-ion battery on a different version of a mini fan, and have reviewed the rechargeable clip-on type mini fan from D-Mart. So do check them out as well. Okay, so this is a new model. It costs rupees 1000 and this is a box. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so it comes with a fan, a micro USB charging cable, and a small user manual. So speaking of the design and build quality, the fan is very compact, has a pastel green border or applique on the outside, and an aesthetic safety guard at the front. At the rear, it is hinged on both sides here, and it can rotate about the hinges by 180 degrees. So you can set the direction of flow. Additionally, the stand also has a retractable hook here in case you want to hang it over something. So this particular hook is built into the stand. It also has an array of LED light at the front comprising of 42 SMD LEDs that emits a cool white light in case you need an emergency light while studying or doing some work at night. The light has two modes of brightness, a high brightness mode and a low brightness mode, which can be set using this button at the rear. Now, the USP of this fan is it has a BLDC motor. BLDC means brushless DC motor, and it consumes way less power, is very efficient and produces lesser noise during operation. At the rear, you have these push buttons for the light settings, the light brightness. Basically, it has two modes of brightness. One is the high brightness mode and the second is a low brightness mode. Then you have the power button and the fan speed button. Basically, it has three modes of fan speeds: low, medium, high, and you get the corresponding LED indication here. And it has a micro USB port for charging along with the indication, which glows red when it is being charged. Let me show you that. So there you go. You can see the red light being charged. Now the build quality is very good and the plastics used is of good quality and it does not feel flimsy. The hinge at the rear has a very good feedback during operation. And from my experience with D-Mart's equipment, I can tell you that they make some really good quality stuff and it doesn't feel cheap. Now, performance-wise, the fan operates at 3 speed settings: low, medium, and high. And it throws a good amount of air, guys. Sufficient for for use in your study table or at your office desk. And the light has two intensities, high and low. The lithium-ion battery inside has a capacity of 1800 milliampere hour rated at 3.7 volts. Charging time is approximately 3 to 5 hours. The fan lasts for 4 hours at low speed, 2 hours at medium speed, and 1.5 hours at the top speed. Now, the only downside is it has a micro USB cable for charging and not a USB-C port, which has become like a norm these days with almost all the portable devices. Okay, so 3 questions I always get on my fan review videos. 1, does it work while charging? Yes, it does. Let me show you that. I've connected it to my battery bank. It is charging here. Now let's turn it on. In fact, the fan speed is a little higher when you have it connected to a power source. It reduces a wee bit when you disconnect it. So yes, it works while it is being charged, including the light settings. 2. If the battery dies completely, can we use it by plugging in the cable? From my previous experience with 2 other D-Mart fans, I can tell you, yes, it works. If the battery inside dies, you can simply connect it to a power source and make the fan work. Number 3, if the built-in battery dies after a few years of usage, can we replace it? Yes, we can. The lithium-ion battery is dirt cheap and an electronic repair shop can replace it for under rupees 100 if you are not familiar doing that. You can easily upgrade it to a slightly larger battery like 2000 mAh or so. Now there's one more thing I wanted to show you guys. You can also remove this fan shroud here. All you need to do is, if you need to open it like this and tilt it. Keep it back, just and rotate it. That's it. So it's very easy to clean the fan by removing this shroud. That's another simplicity that I've noticed in this fan that I've not seen in any of the D-Mart fans before. So guys, summing up, this is a very good portable, lightweight fan from D-Mart, like their other fans, that throws a good amount of air and it can be used at your desk, at home or at work. There's also a ring light that can be helpful if you need some light while working in the dark. And the shroud at the front can also be removed for cleaning. So that'll be all guys. I hope this video was useful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in yet another video. Bye and take care.